What's good? What's happening? Phillyonmars. Shout out to them boy, you know what I'm saying? He got reincarnated as a vending machine. What is going on?
Okay, so basically, I ran into the isekai of all isekai! Reborn as a vending machine! It seems like they're making anything an isekai now! Reborn as a slime! Reborn as a sword! Bump it! We might as well do reborn as a...
Hey, yo. Covered.
Bro, come on, that sounds hard! Literally! But not for...
Pause. Hold on. Reincarnated? Are they really reincarnating her? Her, right? Oh, my fault. They reincarnating him multiple times, bro. What's going on?
Back to this catastrophe of a show! It starts off with my man's on a moped, which is already red flag number one! Bro, you gotta be an itch with the B in front! Out of all the things you can use your V-Bucks on, you use it on a moped? Not to mention my man's stature is terrifying! Discord dweller moderator status! Wait, is that Clark Kent? Oh no! Now me personally, when I see straps getting loose, I cover my hole. Repeat with my man.
Bro, my man's ain't pausing. He ain't pausing the pauses. You know what's going on?
No! Now me personally, when I see straps getting loose, I cover my hole. Repeat with my man Clark Kent done. Oh no! That vending machine is about to fall! I must save it! I'll step away!
Bro, y'all ever, if you drive, y'all ever drive behind like a truck or a truck with a flatbed and they got in the back? Boy, I move away from that lane. I'm not driving behind them, bro. A bunch of can pop out, hop out the bed. You feel me? Now you running it over, it hits your car. I'm good. You stay in the right lane, I'll go all the way to the left. What are you talking about?
Clark Kent done. Oh no, that vending machine is about to fall. I must save it. I'll step apple.
Even the cars with bikes on them, I don't trust it, bro. I don't trust it.
Machine is about to fall. I must save
Not
it.
happening.
I'll step apple. What is not Superman? Huh? Wait a minute. I'm a vending machine.
What the?
Well, I mean, I guess I always wanted to be double stuffed like an Oreo.
Hear ye.
So yeah, this show is real. And you come to find out that there's a point system. 1 point equals 1 hour of life. You gain points by selling items. But my man's got the worst spawn point of all time. Bro looked up the wrong scene. Oh no, I'm in the middle of nowhere. How else am I supposed to let people eat up my insides?
That's tough.
Plot armor. Bro, is that the frog forger? Yep, a mythical frog just pulls up out of nowhere. Then proceeds to beat my man like I would want Ice Spice to do to me. Pause. Their ability go.
How you pause that? How you reversing the pauses? Ice Spice, you watching this? You could beat me any day. Alright? Any day. Holla at me.
I would want Ice Spice to do to me.
He said pause.
Pause. Their ability going down. So another thing my man has to worry about is his health bar. The good thing is my turtle man's is throwing dream punches. My man was shooting blanks with the beats. Ribbit. Oh no, now my man's in a turtle bang. Oh no, what do I do? All these big brolicky turtles are literally breaking my back. I feel like this shawty right now. Wait a minute, I have the option to Domain expansion? Let's go. Get wrecked, monkeys. Those are frogs. Yup, my man just turned into the cube from Fortnite. Then proceeded to consume a chug jug and gain his durability back. However, my man has still made no revenue like a 4X N-word. Time skip. Damn, I can't believe I'm about to die. Let's go and go in the middle of nowhere with big pockets.
Damn.
I'm so hungry and need
know.
food. Man, I fell down to my knees with a lot. What's that? Oh, this shit kind of look like the battle pass. What's good, bitch? Insert currency. This thing need money? Let's try this. Did it just moan? Insufficient funds. Let's try this.
Wrong currency.
Yes. I'm about to blow. Oh, let's go. Let me click this. Drop sound effect. Now what? Stick your hand in me, bit. Huh? Put your hand in my lower area, bit. Nope. Oh. Oh, your inside juices taste so good. So after slurping up all my man's juices, she does what any shawty would do to me after consuming me like a mini shield. She picks
That is crazy.
up all my man's juices. She does what any shawty would do to me after consuming me like a
She's
mini
doing
shield.
squats,
She
you
picks
too.
him up like a little slut and brings him home.
You're coming home with me.
me, boy. What the skadoodle?
Bangs in the face,
Hold on, let's take a little breaky wakey. Let me gobble you up real quick. Then she pulls up on these two freaking losers. Not only would I beat these guys in a boxing match, but how does my man's here have a box cut with a widow's peak? I'm not trying to get ethical, political, or geographical, but how were you able to equip this cut? I know for a fact.
Man, Danny got that Vegeta haircut, bro. Imagine Vegeta with this cut right here. That'd be crazy.
You don't know how to electric slide. And this other dude, he's just bald.
Michael Jordan.
Guy. Ooh, what is this thing?
This man has eyebrows in the back of his head, bald ass N-word.
That wasn't very nice.
Shut up, Johnny Good Deeds.
Go. Now after these guys served up all the bros juices like a Lil Nas X music video shoot, Shawty somehow runs into a girl getting bullied, no Rockstar Games. Hey, little girl, insert cupcake joke.
Oh my
What the
God.
fadoodle? Get her! Shawty missed that punch like I missed my ex. Exceptional! Code with Gamer Subs, go ahead and use code Phillyonmars. Anyways, now my man set up camp and started getting hella customers like an OnlyFans model with a fat bottom region. Ho started slurping him up like he was a fresh tata to a newborn child. OnlyFans model with a fat bottom region. Ho started slurping him up like he was a fresh tata.
Yo, who's the baddest cartoon mom? Elastigirl? Her? Damn, she... Damn.
To a newborn child. Shit, at this point,
Yes.
I gotta see what this man's cooking. Yes, one titty milk, please.
Muted.
But no cap, dizzily! Just like OnlyFans models Cooter McCatter, my man started to get a little too saturated, so we had to switch up his inventory.
Bro.
Oh shoot, new DLC items! Drop sound. Oh shoot, new DLC items! Drop sound effect! Hey yo! Go! That just enthralled my whole throaty woody! Oh, and it's so creamy! Now my man's turned into Oprah!
Go. Ass.
No chamber
Hey,
puppet!
yo,
Everybody in
pause.
town getting glizzy! But with all that being said, I think there was one guy who couldn't bear it anymore. Come on, that was a good one.
How does he...
That was a good one.
How does he do his videos and not crack laughing, bro? Unless he does multiple takes, because boy, I'd be crying laughing.
You wouldn't believe the direction that the show is about to take.
Why is it so squirty?
Bear noises. Wait, is Shawty about to attempt to fight these dudes? Last time I checked, Shawty got the punch accuracy of a noodle stick. Oh my gosh. Great googly, I actually hit it. I hit it good too. Wait a minute, did my vending machine Giat balance out her power? We may be a better duo than Demi Lovato and Cocaine. Ribbit it hole. Ribbit booty hole. Fuck it.
And we ain't forget about that. You're not saying. If you know, you know. Boy.
Come into my
That's
body.
crazy.
Power of the squirter.
Ribbit, please do that again. They keep respawning. Now with all these turtles respawning, like me going round 15 with my bottle of lotion, and everybody else on the battlefield, other than Squirt Girl, having a combined skill level of a singular fruity pebble, they needed new reinforcements. What about that, Philly? Yo, Asta, shut up! Ribbit from the sky! Yo, man, expansion! You just got knocked the freak out! Now, hold up. What I need y'all to do is peep the power of
That cowboy.
Hey, yo.
Damn, bitch. I see your little power you got with that little punch. Captain, don't flatter me like that. You got me blushing. It's purring.
That fucking toy, bro. That toy. If you know, you know. I'm not explaining what the fuck that is. Not happening. Have Philly explain it to y'all, not me.
Enemies incoming. Enemies incoming. Enemies incoming. Bit.
Listen, imagine being the head cowboy and a vending machine has to save you out of a situation. All I'm saying is, why is she choosing him and not me? That's why bro can't grow a beard properly. Has to save you out of a situation. All I'm saying is, why is she choosing him and not me?
What the fuck? Yo. Oh my god, I can't with this motherfucker, bro.
That's why bro can't grow a beard properly. That's why bro got no swag. Notice how bro doesn't have a chain
Captain.
Whoa.
Wait a minute, is that a magic stick? So she be squirting with her magic stick. Ladies and gentlemen, now presenting Reborn as a Magic Stick. Oh man, I feel bad for all these booty warriors. Let me help them out with free water. Drop sound effect. This gotta be the equivalent to letting the whole football team hit. Me personally, ain't nobody getting nothing free from me. But speaking of letting people dig up in your insides, peep this guy. Yo, who is this dude who looks like Albert Einstein off the Hennessy? Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing?
What are you doing blowing my cover?
Drop sound effect.
Oh, snap, white boy, free water. Yeah, you little good boy. Yeah.
Gotti. Gotti. You thought you was gonna get a cold bev? Haha, you're done. That hand is cooked, buddy.
Now speaking of being uncomfortable and looking like you gotta unload the load, let's talk about BBL. Because trust me, if times ever get tough, I will be purchasing me a premium BBL, like this vending machine.
Ribbit XD.
Holy cannoli, what is that thing? I don't know, but it looks fired up. That was a good one. Yeah, he looks really heated. Holy crap.
What was that pause?
What do I do? What do I do? Hold on, let me do some coke. Now let me turn it to the coke body. Man's got a new rack back in a fupa pack.
What is this?
Man, it's just transformed into a fucking candy thing? What the fuck?
Drop sound effect. Oh shoot, how do I as a vending machine communicate to how to do this? Stick it in. Stick it in. Stick it in.
Boy.
Why is this machine so kinky? Squirt bit, squirt bit, squirt bit. Wait a minute, if I stick
Yo,
this in
Dad.
this hole, then I can make it squirt. Blue, 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 blue. Y'all ready? Squirt in his eyes.
You know what you mean. Oh, yeah, packed up by Coca-Cola, bro.
Bro couldn't handle getting squirted on. Just letting all the ladies know watching this video, I can handle it.
Yeah, no, I can handle that. What are you talking about? What show should I do next? A vending machine is honestly insane, to be honest. It's always a nutty good day. Okay. When Philly uploads. Nutty? How else am I supposed to let people eat? Okay. Our king entertains us again. I need to say nothing other than I can't wait for Simmer and True. Gotta see this. 310 now. That delivery got it.
You're coming home with me, boy. What the good?
Yo, her voice go crazy. Imagine you with a shorty, bro, and she hit you with that voice. What y'all doing in that situation? What'd you say? She tries to say it again. I'm gone. I'm out of there, bro. It's done. Nothing for you, buddy. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. Hearing that deep ass voice, boy. Huh? What you on, boy? Bro, out of all things, a vending machine is crazy. And the way the beginning was coming in, does he like reincarnate as other things too? You know what I'm saying? Because if so, like, what are the other things he gets into? Reincarnates as, because of vending machine, bro. And then the fact that he was able to switch into this like candy dispenser thing, bro. You feel me? Like, how? You know? But let me know what you guys thought. That's my reaction. If you enjoyed, give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't. And I'm out.